didn't sleep again, did you?
You know me. I never sleep. My ex-husband used to call me a nocturnal animal.
كتاب وصلها من طليقها.
Did you love him?
I did something horrible to him, something unforgivable.
أيقظ وحشية ماضيها وربما مستقبلها. إيمي آدمز. Nocturnal Animals الليلة على MBC 2.